Yes, people saw me I go slave or Shadika today. I walk carry this.
So that?
Yeah. You want to take up light something for. This is all me I bring you. You're so wicked. You want me that? I'll carry this.
Oh, you want to carry this one?
I'll carry this. Yeah?
At the phone?
Yeah.
Huh?
Become an artist, you know?
Let's go. Oh wow, and here is full today.
Yeah, it's morning night.
I still morning early. So I'm coming to place empty.
Good morning, people of YouTube. Welcome to another vlog. This morning, as you can see, we're in the laundromat, a Jamaican laundromat. What do you have to say?
We have been subscribed for Omar. I go right now the video. Anyways, so yeah guys, so we're just gonna take you on a regular day with us, a chill day, green. But not just errands, but we're gonna be shopping, looking for different things. We're gonna buy a couch cut. I was gonna say the chair broke with me many times. So if you guys haven't watched that as yet, it is a real challenge. I'll have it as an end card as a video, and I'll also put it right up here. Anyways, so yeah, Ori needs to buy a fan, and we're gonna do some house hunting too, but it's gonna be a separate video, but I'm gonna give you a sneak peek in the vlog. So yeah, just enjoy a chill day with us.
Listen not to her. Alright, stay tuned. Oh my god. You know what them did that do?
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, the colors. Oh, yeah. You guys want another rinse cycle? I'm buying.
Alright guys, so we're on our way to view our house. House hunting time.
Yeah, but this is gonna be a next video on its own because it's going to be a lot of footage, and we don't want to overwhelm the vlog with just it. And we're gonna have other things, like we're gonna go shopping as well. So we're giving you guys a little preview of what's going on, but it's going to be a separate video. Stay tuned for that.
Come here, sweet man.
Yeah, time disgustingly hard. Like I'm there for time week, I'm just take it right off back. Not
Yeah,
today.
so stay tuned guys.
Yeah. yeah guys, so far we haven't really seen anything that we like that is within our price range. One of the houses that we saw is like, you guys have to see it, man. The house hunting vlog is coming about after this or so check so keep in check for that one. Anyway, so right now we're just going on with the regular thing as planned for this vlog, which is to buy the chair and to get Orion's chair and get something to eat as well.
Get my chair?
Sorry, fine. Get Orion fine.
Me buy chair?
You get Orion fine. Like, we're hungry.
I'm getting a chair.
We're hungry bad. Me I thought full she's still way more hungry and us then knock up my head. So we're still in the search. We'll carry on with that journey as of course, and stay tuned. Yeah. Is that Curtis?
Yeah, it's Curtis.
Right there, so it's him.
Oh, it's not.
You want to say something to him? Hi. Oh my god, they have jumping ropes? How much for it, sir? Jesus, 1,500 for jumping rope? What's so expensive then, babe? Actually, no, because I did that foreign. It was a whole heap of money. How much for that one? Tooth a lot card. Oh god. I mean, they're not bad, but I wanted more like in between, like you get me? How much?
Shallow shower.
No, I don't want them shallow. I want them deep, but I don't. I want more in between. A $5,000 feet in or in the other one, they have so much more for $5,000. Or I didn't know that they weren't going to be gone. They were at Price Mart. It's like every week Price Mart have something new then. I guess that was a bus.
Outside?
Let's look at they have slushies.
Brethren.
No, I'm serious. I'm thirsty. You do at the food court. Relax yourself, man. Don't drink none if me get any. Don't drink it. Alright. Oh, really? Cause me and mine you. Cause me and mine you. Me not look for you now.
You don't buy 2, you can't hold my hand. If you're not buying 2, you can't hold my hand. Oh, for 2, you're right.
Me not look for you. So to the food court there, let's see them have slushy. I saw the line long.
Yeah, nothing.
And we're on our way out. Back in the house, just a little bit to drop off the things that we bought, like the ice creams and the things that need to be in the fridge. So we're gonna head to KFC because we're hungry up on the road all day, and then I guess that will be it. I guess I'll show when the couch is delivered, as I bought one. And yeah, I hope you're enjoying it so far. Usual KFC, full for the drive-through, back up to, there's a red car behind that, blue weird looking one, that red car right there. So we're gonna try inside, hope. Yeah, we're gonna try inside and hope for the best.
And inside proper.
Yay!